everyone, and thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this glamorous cut crease. I feel like it has been a while since I did a cut crease, so today I just wanted to get a little bit more creative since it has been a while. And of course, in today's video, I'm going to show you every step on how I achieved this. So this is how you can see like how the before was and the after. I will make sure to put all the products I'm using today in the description bar. And the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids. I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre. And I'm just gonna apply it all over the eyelid using a Sigma Beauty P84 brush. This brush also is included in my brush set, which I created together with Sigma Beauty. I have everything linked down in the description bar. And I'm actually gonna play with the Jaclyn Hill #1 palette. And I'm gonna start with this light color and I'm gonna blend it all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner using the E40 brush from Sigma Beauty. I'm just going to slowly build up by kind of making the crease darker and darker, but before I do that, I always go in with the light shade first and just slowly build it up by going in with like a darker shade and then an even darker. Some people prefer going in with like a black eyeshadow first and then blend it out with lighter colors. If that works better for you, you can definitely do it that way, but I personally like to start with a light color first. I just find it just works better for me. I've been doing it for years and I don't know, it just really works for me. Then now next I'm gonna take this kind of orangey brownish shade, really beautiful color, and I'm gonna start doing the same thing, but I did go in with a tinier brush and focusing a bit more like straight in the crease. And I think I'm just gonna play a little bit music because this is actually gonna be a lot of steps. I'm going in with more and more shades, going darker and darker. So hopefully by seeing me do it, you will get like what I'm doing and hopefully you can recreate it. Also, I wanna kind of challenge you guys to recreate this eye look, to kind of step out of your comfort zone. I know a lot of people are currently at home. Maybe you're bored and you wanna play with makeup. So I'm kind of gonna challenge you guys to recreate this eye look. If you do, don't forget to tag me on social media because I'm planning to post all the eye looks that you guys have made in my next video. Like at the end of my videos, I want to kind of do like a slideshow of all the looks of my subscribers that recreate my eye looks. I kind of think that's super cool, to kind of give you guys some love back and to kind of give you a little bit, kind of put you guys in a spotlight, if you know what I mean. So let me know your thoughts, let me know if you're gonna try it out, and in my next upcoming video I'm gonna post all the eye looks that everyone has made like in the time that I have uploaded a new video, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. I have all my social media details linked down in the description bar, so if you want to send me the picture, you can search my username, which is just my before and last name. And it's actually really funny because someone tagged me on Instagram, and she was watching my YouTube video with her boyfriend and he was pronouncing my name and he said Knook, I think he said, but he thought my name was pronounced like with the soft K, which a lot of people actually in the US call me Knook. But actually, if you really pronounce my name like the way that I pronounce it in the Netherlands, how it actually is supposed to be pronounced, it's actually this way. So if I would say to you like, hello, my name is, I would say Knook. So that's the way like how I pronounce it in the Netherlands, which is so different. But I know a lot of people in the United States or maybe different countries as well, they actually can't really pronounce the K the way that we do it in the Netherlands, which is Knook. So I always, when I like introduce myself to someone in the US or even in the UK, I always say Knook, just because I know like if I would say it the way it's actually supposed to be pronounced, like no one is gonna be able to pronounce it. So that's a bit easier. But also I always say like my name is Anne, but actually you pronounce it like it's just but it's, I don't know, like I just want to make it easier for guys, but I thought maybe you guys find it funny to know like how you pronounce it. But yeah, let's get back to the makeup tutorial. So I started going in with a black eyeshadow and just blending it all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. You guys have seen me doing it, like I went in with a light color first, then I went in with a darker shade, and then an even darker shade. So now I'm going in with this concealer from Morphe brushes, which is a white concealer. This was actually the first time trying out this concealer, and when it comes to concealer, like to cut the crease, like I'm very picky. Like there are so many concealers that crease on the eyelids, so I was a bit nervous when I started using it, because obviously I didn't want this eye look to like completely go wrong since I haven't done a cut crease in a while. So I was a bit like nervous, like is this gonna go well? But it actually looked really good. I do feel like compared to the concealer that I normally use, which is the MAC what is the name? MAC Pro Longwear in the shade NC15. I actually like that one more, but it's nice to try something else for a change. But if I would go in again, I would probably go back in with the MAC Pro Longwear concealer. So now I'm going in with the ViseArt palette, which is a beautiful palette with a lot of colors. But I'm going in with the white color. I wanted to use like a super white shade, and this is actually a really nice pigmented palette. The Jaclyn Hill palette unfortunately doesn't have like a nice matte light color, so I just decided to go in with this one, and I'm going to pack it on all the places where I applied the concealer to make it like as white as possible. Then now next I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill number 2 palette. If you don't have this palette, definitely use a shade which is similar that you want to use. You can also use like a light orange or light red, blue, green. You can go in with any color that you like, which is obviously gonna make the whole eye look totally different, but it's nice to like play with different colors. If you don't like purple, you can change it up to going in with the green or blue. Pick any color that you like, and I'm going to pack it on the outer end of the eyelid, kind of softly pressing it into the white, but not too harsh. And then I went in with a darker purple, and I'm going to blend that next to the purple to kind of create a transition from white to pink to dark pink, and then into the black that we have created before. Not created, that we have applied before. So now I'm going in with this eyeliner from Morphe brushes. This is actually a shimmery purple, as you can see. I felt like it didn't apply really nicely, so I'm probably not going to use it again. You can also use a black eyeliner, because I'm going on top of it with glitter and it covered up the whole eyeliner. So I might as well could have just gone in with like a black eyeliner. So I'm going to use this glitter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a really fine purple glitter. If you have decided to go in with a different color on the eyelid, you can also kind of match your glitter with the color that you're going for. Like for example, if you use blue on the eyelid, you can go for blue glitter as well. Or if you want to do something even more crazy, of course, you can also do like blue on the eyelid and a green glitter and make this whole different. So now I went in with a little bit of my favorite concealer, which is the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to blend it underneath the outer end of the eyelid, because the eyeshadow was looking like super messy in that area. So every time that happens to me, I just use a little bit of concealer and I clean everything up, and this is gonna make the eye look just look so much better, so much cleaner, and it just looks like it's just really nicely blended at the outer end. Then I'm taking a flat definer brush from Sigma Beauty, which also comes in my brush set, and I'm going to press it right underneath the lower lash line. Then now I'm going back in with the purple color I used for the eyelid, and I'm going to blend it all the way underneath the lower lash line to blend out the black eyeshadow and to make it look very soft. Again, you can definitely use a different color. You can do like any color that you like. You don't have to do each step that I'm doing. You can definitely give your own fantasy to this whole eye look. And then now next I'm going in with the ViseArt palette again and using that white color which I used previously, and I'm just going to apply a little bit more of that in the inner corner area and blending it a bit downwards. Now for my waterline, I'm going to take the Morphe brushes Vibes pencil, which is a really warm brown color. It's actually my favorite pencil for the waterline. Now I think this just really suits well with the brown colors I blended earlier in the crease, but if you want to apply a purple pencil in the waterline or a black pencil or a white pencil, I think that will look really great as well. And now for my mascara, I'm taking the Great Lash Mascara from Maybelline, which is one of my favorite drugstore mascaras. And I'm just gonna apply a tint coat on the upper lashes and trying to make my lower lashes as long as possible. Now for today, I'm actually gonna use lashes from the brand Tatti lashes in the style Wifey material. Really beautiful. And then here you can see the end result. I really hope you all enjoyed. I know this eye look is like super dramatic, but I feel like it has been a while since I did an eye look like this, so I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. That's really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Oh yeah, and of course, if you recreate this look, don't forget to send me the picture on Instagram if you want to be like featured in my next video. And yeah, I just really hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you next time. Bye bye.
Honestly, I shouldn't. Caught up in my feelings, messed up and I'm sprung. Something in your smile that it makes me wanna come over. Can I come over? I wanna come over. Thinking about your ocean. Swimming pool is closed and I'm in the deep end. The waves are washing over. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that,